Greetings! So, an announcement before I make an announcement. We are phasing out of our Facebook group because it's very inactive and nobody's really talking on there because nobody can see the notifications because Facebook is not posting notifications. So, alternatively, I have started a Discord channel to chat about beading and life things and other crafts and such. And it's a very wholesome group that really looks out for each other, and it's just a wonderful, warm, fuzzy feeling that we can all enjoy, especially during these times when social interaction is very rare these days. So, if you would like to join our Discord group, there is a link in the description box below. It's the very first link that says Join Discord. And if you are hesitant to join new technology, that's totally understandable. The link will show you how to make an account, and when you finally join, there is a section that says how to use Discord. I've created a small tutorial on how to interact with that, so feel free to check that out. And now for our regularly scheduled content. Alright, so as you can tell by the title, the new Patreon tutorials are here, and I am just itching for some fall adventures because I hate summer. I'm sick of it. It's August. I want my trees and my nice spooky weather and spooky times, even though I celebrate it every single day of the year. So, because of that, I am doing another Skillshare series that's being transferred to Patreon, and we are going to work on these lovely pumpkin earrings. So, this is part of a set. It's going to be a 3-part saga again, and this is the necklace that we will be learning in the future. Right now, we're going to be starting off with the pumpkin, so you can get the techniques of wrapping around the rounds, which you'll also use in the chain. It's going to be broken up into 2 more parts. The next one is going to be in September, and it's going to do the bezel. October is going to have the chain, so hopefully by the time this series ends, you can have this lovely piece to wear on your spooky occasions. So if you want to create this adventure, and also after that get new tutorials once per month, come and join me on Patreon, patreon.com/odins.musings. And you get access to this tutorial for only $1 a month. It's super cheap, and you get to support me directly instead of having me to pay a bunch of fees from random places that really don't care about artists. So, all pertinent links are down below, and I hope to see you there.